Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today I want to talk a little bit about one of the coolest things that we found this summer in terms of the processing of our garden. These are zucchini pickles, and they're great. So if you have a ton of zucchini that you need to get rid of, pickling them totally makes sense. Our cucumbers did not turn out as many. We didn't get as many as we thought we would, and so when we were pickling, we had a lot of extra pickling materials, and we also had a lot of extra zucchini. So we decided just to try it for fun, and provided that you use a mandolin to slice them very, very thin. These are really, really great for just throwing into pretty much anything. You can use them. You can then dice them up further, put them in, egg salad or potato salad or something, or you just use these on your burgers or whatever. Obviously, they're really thin, so you want to have 2 or 3 of them, but you pickle them exactly the same way that you would pickle the regular cucumber, and you would have no idea from just eating them that they are in fact zucchini. I guess the texture might be slightly different, but I mean, there's no way that unless if nobody told you, you wouldn't know. So highly recommended. I like eating them. Great stuff. So yeah, whenever you end up with way too many zucchini, seriously consider just pickling them, because obviously those are going to last a long time, and who doesn't want pickles on all of their stuff? So with that, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see y'all soon. Have a great day.